If you watched my October 2019 beauty empties, you know that I had just 7 products to finish for the rest of this year to achieve my Project Pan Challenge target of 150 beauty products in 2019. Let's see how I've done in November and if I've actually finished the Project Pan Challenge or, hit my target. Right, off we go. Cleanser first. This is the Alpha Rage Triple Action Cleanser with thyme. All gone. Really, really, really loved it. I love all Alpha Rage cleansers. They're amazing. The balancing cleanser is fabulous for a second cleanse. The clear skin cleanser is fantastic for your morning cleanse, or if you're acne prone, this one is a great balancing, non-drying, hydrating cleanser. Ideal morning cleanser if you're not acne prone, or when you don't have those pesky zits and don't need the extra acne treatment there. Very, very nice. Love it. Will I repurchase? I already have one. Next, there is a PR sample. This is Pixie's Vitamin C Tonic. All gone, as you can see. It's empty. Did I like it? Yes, it was a nice toner. I used it as a spritz. Very refreshing, very nice. The only problem was that the vitamin C, I don't know if you can see the bit that's left over, it oxidized, changed color, became very, very deep yellow. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. It can't be a good thing, but I don't know if it's a bad thing or not. So will I repurchase? I have a ton of vitamin C's to get through, and I don't want those oxidizing, so after that I will be deciding. Omarovica, Queen of Hungary Mist. This is a limited edition from Norma Go, as you can see from the bottle. All gone. Okay, few drops left. The glass bottle spritzer goes to my father for his gardening club. Will I repurchase? I have at least 2 full-sized 100ml bottles and a bazillion 30ml bottles, so not in the near future. It's a very, very, very good mist. It's just that I have too many of those because they keep sending these out in gifts with purchase, advent calendars, beauty boxes, you name it, it's that. One makeup product, this is from Essence. It is their super fine eyeliner. Dried up and gone. Will I repurchase? No, and I'll tell you why. See, this tip is longer than most felt tip eyeliners, right? Usually they only come up to about here, right? They're this long. This one extends, this one is double that length. So it wasn't easy, and the tip was too flexy, it went like this. Now, some of you may say I pressed too hard or whatever. Even when you're in a hurry, you don't really think about these things for starters. For another, makeup shouldn't be difficult. It shouldn't cause problems. It should, it should be easy to do. Face lotion, Manuka Doctor Facial Moisturizing Lotion with purified bee venom. Decent, kept my skin free of flakes. I wouldn't say it's amazing, the best thing ever. It wasn't that. That's all I'm saying. So we'll be repurchasing one night cream, Result Time by Colin, Redensifying Night Cream with vitamin A. This I really, really liked. I haven't been using tretinoin because, I've been in an allergic phase for a while, so I don't want to aggravate my skin further by using tretinoin. I have urticaria on most mornings these days, and so no tretinoin. And this one was very, very, very good in the absence of tretinoin and keeping my face, I wouldn't say retexturized, I'd say on its toes. Right, all gone. Will I repurchase? No, I want to get back to tretinoin. I will be speaking to my dermatologist shortly and, trying to get back to tretinoin. One aloe vera gel from Aromatica. All gone, as you can see. And this actually wasn't particular, right, all gone. This one I used as gel for my new face. While new facing, this was my go-to gel because the new face gel, first of all, it's too expensive. Secondly, they sell you very little of it. Thirdly, it didn't do much for my skin. And, I saw a few videos where they say you can't get away with any old aloe vera gel. So this is the one that I chose, and it wasn't bad at all. decent, does the job well. They sell this one on Look Fantastic and Beauty Expert. Where to buy all of these, I will be linking in the description box below. Will I buy again? I have another one. And after that, I'll be exploring other Korean brands aloe vera gels, and see how they do with my new face. One body oil. This is Monospa's Relaxing Bali Massage and Body Oil. Very, very nice. Emulsified like a dream with water. So I used to apply this and wait for a bit and then get in the shower. Emulsified wonderfully. I did not need to moisturize after that because it left my skin very hydrated. So will I repurchase? I have a couple more from Look Fantastic beauty boxes. After those run out, I may. One shower gel, Noble Oil Rhubarb Bath and Shower Gel. All gone. Smelled amazing. Wonderful shower gel. I would say this and Molten Brown are my favorite shower gel brands. Will I repurchase? No, I'm moving to soap, bar soap, because it's better for the environment. Although my dad will be using up this packaging. Also, I've got another one from the Fortnum & Mason Advent Calendar, and I will be using that one as well, the unboxing of which you can see here. Lastly, one hair product, one hair mask. This came in last year's L Advent Calendar. It is the Josh Wood Color Everything Mask. I've never colored my hair. Never. Virgin hair, if you will. So, I've blow dried and heat styled the life out of my hair, but I haven't colored it. Right, as if there was anything left for me to damage about my hair, right? So this one, I don't know if it locked color. It claims to lock color and slow fading. I don't know about all of that, but it was definitely conditioning for my hair. I've stopped, styling it altogether, leave it all natural. So, because that's healthier right now, and I need to reverse damage, years and years of damage. So yeah, will I repurchase this? No, I have other hair masks and I'm exploring Olaplex right now, so no, won't be repurchasing this. So 10 beauty products finished in November. I needed 7 to finish for the rest of 2019 to reach my Project Pan target of 150 beauty products this year, and I have got there with 3 to spare and December yet to go. I am so proud of myself in the sense that, there was this feeling that I wasn't using up my products and I was just acquiring and hoarding. Now I know that isn't true. I am using up products. I have a strict bath and body routine and a skincare routine. So I am using up things, and some makeup products such as eyeliners and primers get used up as well. Setting powders. So those sort of things get used up in my routine. So now I know what not to buy and what to concentrate on, what I've used up most. Will I be doing a Project Pan in 2020? I don't know. I'd like to. Any ideas? Is anyone going to do one with me? Do tell me, and maybe we can do something together, set a target for each of us, and then, start by, supporting each other through it all. So think about it and let me know in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this short video. Do give me a thumbs up, do hit the subscribe button, do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.